Hello, in this demo video I'm going to show you how Pulse AI works. With Pulse AI you can create your own ChatGPT 4 marketplace and leverage WhatsApp automation to sell anything you want. You can sell physical products, digital products, affiliate offer, services and much more. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1, you create your own AI powered marketplace and add your products. So you leverage on AI, enter your marketplace name, Swift. Upload your marketplace logo. Choose a background for your marketplace. We have different background, so I'm going to choose this. So then you enter your email address right here, the email address for your marketplace. You input your phone number right here. Then you click on submit to complete your AI marketplace generation, all by leveraging on AI. Amazing, your marketplace website has been created and you can click here to preview. So this is the marketplace we just created right now, and the next thing for you to do is to add products. So how do you do that? You click on products and you click on create, and there are 2 ways for you to do that. You can create a fresh product by leveraging on AI, whereby you can input your product name right here and AI is going to generate the complete asset for you. Okay, or you can click here to select the products from our library. Yes, Pulse AI comes preloaded with products for you. Okay, so you can click here to select, and we have different products. We have the physical product and the digital product. So right here you select your marketplace, and then we have different products. You can click on next and check on any product that you want to sell on your marketplace. Okay, depending on your plan level, you can select as many products as possible. So once you are done, you click on done. Amazing, can you see the product has been added to our marketplace? Now let's go to step 2, and that is where you set up your WhatsApp AI agent. So you click on my device, and right here you click on create device to integrate your WhatsApp. So you input your device name right here. Create now. Amazing, and now you'll be asked to follow these 4 steps. Okay, so you can scan this barcode using your mobile phone to integrate your WhatsApp to Pulse AI. So I'm going to do that right now. Amazing, you can see device connected successfully. So we've been able to integrate our WhatsApp to Pulse AI, and that's very simple. And the good thing about this is that you can click here to send bulk message directly from Pulse AI. So you can message your customers, you can add a new record. Okay, so you can input the number here. can input the number here and click here to send a message directly to your customer. You can also click here for your contact list. Okay, you can import contact using CSV file, that is Excel sheet. So you can import the list of all your customers and start sending them broadcast message. Okay, and this is now the main thing now. So after connecting your WhatsApp device, you have to set up your chatbot, your WhatsApp AI agent that will help you to automate the process. So you can click here to create reply, and then right here you input your keyword right here. Then you select the device, you select the reply type, you select the keyword match similar word, and you input your response right here. So anytime someone chats you up and asks, do you sell? The response is going to be yes, we have, and it will be sent automatically. So now let's click on create now to activate that. And you can create as many auto reply as possible. So just put in your keyword. Okay, so you can change this to similar word and put in your reply that will pop up, and click on create now. So once you are done setting up your WhatsApp AI agent, the last thing you have to do is to launch your marketplace. So that is step 3. You click here, click on manage to see the marketplace that you created, and then you can click on the link. Amazing. So this is our AI powered ChatGPT-4 marketplace, and you can see all the products that we added. So once a customer comes to your marketplace, they will see all your products, they will see the product categories like this, so they can select any categories that they want. Okay, so they can add products to cart like this, and they can also chat you up directly on WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is going to help you to automate that. So if they click on WhatsApp, you'll be taken to this page, and you can ask your question, and AI is going to automate the response. Let me start with this. Hello. Amazing. Can you see? The AI automatically responded instantly. Welcome to Swift, your #1 marketplace. Okay, so now let me ask more question. Do you have sleep aids? Now can you see? Yes, we do. Is it in stock? Amazing. Yes, it is available. Do you have the demo video? Can you see? So the AI chatbot responded back with the demo video and even provided the link for your customers to access the demo video. Can you ship to my address? Yes, we can ship to your address. Okay, sounds great. Thank you. Can you see? Can I get a coupon or discount, please? Yes, I can get some discounts. Okay. Amazing. Send me the payment link. Can you see? Sure, I can do that now. Do you prefer PayPal or Stripe? Anyone work fine for me? Amazing. Can you see? Perfect. Click here to place your order. So the AI agent automatically send your marketplace link like this for your customers to place orders directly. Appreciate your help. You're welcome back. And the best part is that the AI chatbot works 24/7 for you, so your customers can click here to make payment for the product. This is truly amazing. The AI chatbot closes the sales for you, chat with your customers, and handles all the sales for you. So your customers can click here to check out, and they can input their name right here, their email right here, their phone numbers here, okay, their country here, and they can input their address here, demo address, and click on next. And once they click on next, they will be asked to make payments using PayPal, credit card, or Stripe. Okay, and if they also need help, they can still click here to reach out to you. So PayPal, so they can sign into their PayPal account and make payments. And this is for Stripe. All right, so once you have an order, you can see your order details from here, my order. You click on all, and you're going to see all the order information right here. Can you see pending? So once the payment has been made, you see it right here, payment successful. All right, you can also send bulk messages to your customers. You can click here and send bulk messages. We also have the single send, and with the single send, you can send a direct message to your customers. You can send a message directly to any customers. You put your message here, so you put the phone number here and you click on send, and the message is going to be sent. Okay, you can also send, this is just a dummy number. Okay, so you can also send a message with media, so you can add media. This is just a dummy number. You can add files, PDF, PNG, JPEG, okay, document, Excel. You can upload it and include it right here, and it's going to be sent. You can also send messages with button, lists, and even your location. All right, so you can see your contact book right here. You can create a new contact. You can create the contact group. You can import contact, and here you see all your scheduled messages right here. You see the message log here, okay, that will show all the messages you've sent. And lastly, we have the core AI that gives you access to different AI features. So you click here to log in, and you get access to different templates that will help you to create content. You can create a blog idea, a blog intro, blog title. AI will help you to write articles, outline, paragraph. And so we have different AI features for product description, Amazon product title, social media posts. So you can use AI to create social media posts, websites. Okay, you can also leverage on this core AI to create AI images. So you just input your keyword here and click on generate, and the images will be generated. We have the AI chat that allows you to chat with different specialists, different AI experts that will help you to manage your business on complete autopilot. So we have the speech to text that will help you to transcribe speech to text, so you can upload your media, MP4, MP3. So we have the AI code that allows you to generate codes, programming codes in different languages. So the system will help you to write codes in HTML, JavaScript, Python, etc. All right, and right here, configuration.